Rent a Jeep Wrangler. Oh, rental off-road. Rental off-road. What? Look at this. A white Jeep. My very first Jeep was a white Jeep. Yeah. Whoa! I'll take it. Look at the screen. I should like this. Ooh, doggies. Ready? My U-Haul project had a financial hit. You know it had a time hit, but the real casualty has been this carport. The bad epoxy pour, struggling with the cabinet paint. Some of the basic rules of manifestation is you have to make room for what you want. Live as if. All right, well, so I'm gonna create the carport where a new Jeep can park. So many fragments of what was. I'm okay with those memories living up here and living forever on YouTube, but they can't live on the carport floor. I have to prime it. Jeep would look good here, a white one. What do you think? White? A white Jeep? Black. Oof, black. So here we are. The little car that was supposed to make life easier. It's cute, it's economical, it's a youthful fantasy of zipping around town with the top down, except for I have old man knees. If my Jeep was too high, this car is too low. I thought I was making smart choices. You know, I sold my Jeep so I could get the U-Haul. And a month later, the U-Haul became undrivable. A problem with the title, commercial insurance, the commercial tag. They took the tag away from me twice. So I bought myself the best bike that I'd ever had. The most expensive, fanciest bike that I ever had. And less than 4 weeks later, somebody stole it from me at work. Just a question. How discouraging do you think this is? So I worked all day. I just came outside. And where I have my bike locked up, somebody has stolen everything off of it. I am genuinely, legitimately saddened. That was my birthday gift I bought for myself. They did worse than steal it. They sucked everything off of it and left me the dead carcass. So I said to myself, enough with the struggle. I need to get out of the rain. I need to get out of the cold. So enter the Mini Cooper, the car I wasn't supposed to have, the car payment that I wasn't supposed to sign. But now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, Mini Cooper. It's not you, it's me. No, it's actually both of us. This was the Mini Cooper, a short chapter in the Book of Tony. No. You know what Carvana is? It's an online virtual, no showroom, no test drive. You get your vehicle out of a vending machine. You have 7 days to test drive it to see if you like it. So shopping for a car in 2025, it's like a dating app, but hopefully with less heartache and disappointment. Hold up. So Meatball and I, look at this one, Meatball. Look at this. Big tires. It's rugged. You'll be very safe, ready for the open road. What do you think? You can go beep, beep. Enough room for you to stretch out. Enough room to go get a puppy cup. A pup cup chariot. So you gotta make sure Meatball's riding in style. Do you like this one? What about this one? What about this one? What do you think? Let's go for a ride. So you want some context? Today is Thursday the 16th. The adoption papers have been signed and I'm going to pick up the baby. Can I afford the baby? Probably not. Probably not, but this is not the first time that I've purchased a car that I couldn't afford. No, rewind to 2006, where between eBay Motors and driving by a Mercedes dealer, man, I saw a car that caught my eye. So it's time for a new car. A new Jeep. I haven't had a Jeep for 10 years. I don't know how that happened. This will be my third one. I've been having car problems. I've been having a lot of problems recently. This is where we're going right now. Look at the computer screen behind me. eBay Motors says that this Jeep is for sale down the road. And I'm gonna go look at it. I have no business looking at it, but I'm gonna go look at it. I really dislike going to the car lot, the car sales guy. I don't know. I don't even have finances secured. I have no reason to be doing this. I'm nervous. You know what they're doing right now? They're making me touch it and smell it and want it and need it. Oh my God, look at me. I'm test driving it. I'm by myself. I thought he was gonna come with me. I'm like on this really busy road. This makes no sense. I'm gonna turn this off. It's the best, man. 762 miles. Well, this was a successful day. I'm so happy. I know stuff isn't supposed to make you happy, but I am so happy. So, anyway, experts say you can't polish up a bad financial decision, but here I am giving it my best shot. I know the car is worth less than I owe, but maybe if I shine it up, they won't notice the huge financial black hole as I drive in. You know, I'm getting my vehicle out of a giant vending machine. They give you a big coin and you put it in and your car comes out.
The destination is on your right.
See it?
Arrived.
Good. You know, one of the crazy great things about Carvana is you don't get to see the car, you don't test drive it, you don't get to see it until you buy it. Yeah, it's like Congress, right? You don't know what's in it till you sign it. So, yeah, I only saw pictures. This is the first time I could see it. I have 7 days. I'm gonna take it to a mechanic, I'm gonna have an inspection. If I don't want it, we can rip up the papers. Oh, but I want it. Come on, let's go. Want to hear something silly? Whether you believe it or not, there's a Jeep club right? When you go down the road, Jeeps wave at you. I've had a Jeep since my 20s. That means going down the road, I have been waved to. When I got rid of my Jeep, they stopped waving. And what kills you, this could be an age metaphor, I'm still the same person inside. They just stopped waving. I still identified as a guy with a Jeep. I just drove it home and somebody beeped and waved. I don't know. It felt like, welcome back. Look at that, look at that, look at that. This is Meatball's third Jeep. Meatball, you know what? This is good for your colors. You look so good. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go, come on, this way. How's my hair look?
Usted es muy hermosa, señora, y tengo pena decirle que me da $5 americanos, pero si no, mi padre me va a pegar.
What did he just say?
He says you're very beautiful, senora, and he's ashamed to ask you for $5 American for this picture.